The most funniest part about Bart's mentally retarded, delusional douchebaggery is garbage. It's nothing but a bunch of terrorist threats. Confessions of a fucking incompetent fucking criminal. That's what it is. Confessions of fucking conspiracy. You know what the most funny part is? I don't have to do anything. That woman in there, the woman that made me, she's got a shotgun, Bart, in a safe. She's got a gun safe. She's got a 12 gauge shotgun, a Remington 870. She also has a 357. She keeps it in her purse. She can legally gun your ass down, Bart. Legally. Shell casings. She can leave shell casings. I can't have nothing to do with shell casings. Taste ammunition, I can't do that. I gotta literally load my own bullets. But fuck it, I got 5 of them in there. As soon as I pull that hammer down, single action, the cylinder spins. Got a heated hot round that's going to discharge. I said, man, them primers, they always go off. It's going to discharge when I pull the trigger. Can't have nothing to do with cartridges, but hell, I just gotta make my own rounds in the fucking chamber. That's simple. It goes like this. First you put a patch, and then you put some powder, and then you put a patch, and then you put a fucking cardboard fucking piece in there. Then you put your projectile, then you put another patch down, and then you put your fucking percussion cap in the fucking back. You seat that well. Make sure your cylinder spins. I always fucking click the hammer back, make sure that bitch gonna spin all the way around. Your percussion caps ain't getting jammed up and stuck. And you got basically 5 hot seated projectiles that are going to travel 1,400 feet per second. Same speed as a 9mm. Almost same ballistics. Same terminal ballistics, man. Like I said, man, them Quanticos will hit you like an HST. They're going to hit you like an HST fucking Hydra shot, man. The Jackson Specials, they're hollowed out, and I got fucking silicone from Home Depot in there. I mean, bro, like, ain't nobody scared of Bart the bum. I mean, dog, that nigga is like a legal body. Literally, you drive here, come on, dog, pussy. It ain't no talking, it ain't no warning. I'm just straight lining up and discharging. I'm gonna feel like Malcolm, and I'm gonna be peeping out the blinds. I don't give a fuck if it's 900 niggas outside. I'm gonna come out on that boy firing that nigga. Come on, firing at him like real talk. Exit the front door, exit the barrier. I'm still on my property. Start letting them all go. Literally just line them up and let them go. He gonna get hit with probably all 5. 3 minimum, but all 5. Him, that's a big target. All 5. I'm in my legal fucking, what's it called? I'm in my legal obligation. If this man comes to my eminent domain, my residence, to defend myself under Castle Doctrine and Stand Your Ground case law, because remember, so the Urban Police Department, they're gonna act like they got Alzheimer's. Remember, it's documented and copied and screen saved. He said he's gonna sexually assault my elderly mother and my fiance. Oh, word? You gonna rape some people, Bart? He on some raping and pillaging and shit? I'll bet you a jury of your peers won't be necessary because it probably won't make it past a pretrial hearing. See, Bart, when you defend yourself legally, understand your ground, you don't go to court. You go to a hearing, a pretrial hearing, and that determines whether you're going to a fucking trial or you're going to have this shit dismissed. With this type of shit, he can't count, he can't comprehend simple mathematical equations, problem solving skills, he can't comprehend and communicate. He's a pathological liar. He keeps talking all these terroristic death threats, pretending to be gangster, man. He's obviously delusional. He's emotionally disturbed. He's an emotionally disturbed party, and he's a threat to the general public and to my safety and my family's safety, my property. I always said, man, the retards ain't scared to die. They can't comprehend fear. They can't comprehend. This man ordered a motherfucking musket, a fucking Remington muzzleloader off goddamn Bass Pro Shop, and they delivered it right to his door with fucking ammo.